all day at the beach.
Are you okay?
Well, I've been having steroids, but other than that, nothing. I am awake.
You're retarded, aren't you?
Well, it is. Nah, forget it.
Retard. Hey, what the hell is that white thing over there?
Hey, it's a green thing made of... You made a booger?
Helmo.
Well, I made out of fur. Hey, can you fly? Sure.
Fail, dude. Fail. Yeah.
Well, you should be nice to him. He just said, well, now, I think I'll be heading off now. What's up? Ow, I stepped on you.
What the hell, dude? Stop humping me. Ew, get off my... Ew.
I can't believe...
Hump this retard.
Okay.
That's just wrong.
God, you little... Even I don't smell... Okay, maybe I smell a bit better, but... Oh my God, you reek like a...
Son of a...
I think that's something we can both agree on, isn't it?
Yeah.
Whoa, it's not that bad. This is bad. Atomic fart!
No!
Wow! That was atomic fart. I need a doctor before my life ends.
I think I've gone retarded. Here, get on my bed.
You realize this fur isn't cheap, you know. Hey, look!
He's a fake.
I'm not a fake. I'm Spider-Bird. Spider-Man does whatever. Oh, shit. Yada DK.
Goodbye to him.
Wasn't that just the boastful hit of the century? Oh, yeah!
Retard.